So here's the app called Plug AI Texting Assistant. This is basically, your AI helper for dating. Transform your romantic interactions with Plug AI, the texting and flirting assistant designed to boost your confidence and effectiveness in the game of love. So what you can do here, you can upload Tinder screenshot to generate customized responses, generate open and pickup lines, or chat with Plug AI to receive dating and self-improvement advice. So let's just try it out. The one thing is that in all of these Reese AI, Plug AI apps, you need to upgrade, but there is a free trial. So there is a free trial for 3 days, and then you need to pay weekly price, which is like $7 per week. So I just upgraded for you, so you can take a look if it's worth or not. So then you can just upload a screenshot, or you can just go and try some pickup lines. So here, for example, you can just enter the name of your date, and then you can just whatever, I don't know why it's okay. So then just select different categories like DM, smooth, spicy, funny, and then okay, so yeah, this kind of stuff. And then you can just increase the spiciness or decrease it. So that's what you get, and then you can just tap on it, and I guess you can copy it or you can't. So yeah, if you just tap on it, that's just copied to clipboard. So that's the idea. Then also here you can select your language. So there are different languages available here, so you can just do that. You can also upload a screenshot if you're stuck on your conversation on Tinder and you just don't know what to say or whatever. Then you can just do that and you will get some suggestions. But as you can see, like some of those can be like nice. Some of them, a lot of them can be quite off. So don't just copy them to clipboard. Just treat them more like some nice idea, and then of course you can edit those. But yeah, it can be fun way just to use it out. And then yeah, you can just go and upgrade. And so yeah, that's what it is. Basically, that's the app. I don't know, like and then you can just chat it here like that, just with your dating assistant kind of. But basically it's just like ChatGPT API, I guess. So that's what it is. That's what you have here. So yeah, you just decide like if you want to upgrade or not. I'm just sharing you out with this app, and there you have it.